So I've been using an iPad exclusively as my mobile computing device now for a couple of weeks. I switched over from a MacBook Pro and I actually have some thoughts. So in this video, I'm going to give you the benefits of an iPad over a laptop and tell you why it may be a little bit better. Let the download begin. So if you're new here and you want to learn how to use and troubleshoot your devices, plus some other cool tech stuff, we can help. All you need to do is hit that subscribe button and that bell for notifications so you don't miss when we release some cool, helpful content. So now I've always been in the school that the iPad can't really replace a laptop because it's not really a laptop. It's a tablet that does laptop things. But for the past couple of weeks, I've actually just been using the iPad solely as my mobile device. And I actually found some benefits that the iPad has over a laptop. One of those benefits is portability. Now, portability is a big thing, especially when you're carrying around a mobile computing device. The largest iPad, the 12.9 inch, measures in at about 1/4 of an inch thick, and it's only about 1.6 pounds in weight. So it's not very heavy and it's not very thick. And that plays a huge role in carrying these things around because, again, if you're lugging it from place to place, if you're lugging it on a train, if you're lugging it on a bus, the weight and size of a device actually becomes a huge plus or a huge minus. So when you're looking at an iPad versus a laptop, you're going to find that the iPads normally, for what you want, something powerful that's still small, light, and thin, the iPad's going to be able to do that a lot better than some laptops can. Now, depending on what operating system you usually use your laptops on, either Mac OS or Windows operating system, you're going to find that the iPad has a selection of apps that are probably vastly more intricate and vastly more versatile than any of those operating systems put together. The Apple App Store has become such a vast system of applications that basically do whatever you want them to do. There is definitely an app for everything that you're looking for. So if you're looking for word processing, spreadsheets, or even gaming, anything that you can think of, there's an app in the Apple App Store for it, and the iPad has full access to those applications that run natively on the iPad itself. And another thing you can't discount that's a benefit over a laptop is the ease of use. The ease of use plays a big role into how many people can actually start using the iPad immediately. PCs can be complicated at times depending on your user's experience level. iPads are usually entry level with a little bit more tacked on for more experienced users. So there's a small barrier of entry when it comes to iPads versus laptops. iPads are extremely easy to use, they're easy to set up. You basically just pick it up, sign in with your Apple ID. Similar to what you would do with an iPhone, you download the apps that you need and you're good to go. There's no configurations necessary. There are configurations options available for more expert users if they want to, but it's not a necessity. You can basically just pick it up, go, and start using it immediately. The setup time on these things are probably about 2 to 5 minutes tops to download all the information you need just to get it up and running as fast as possible. That's something that Apple prides themselves on, is just making it as easy to use for anyone. Now, you'll find some laptops with really beautiful screens, but the iPad is really made for media consumption, and that's definitely a benefit it has over a laptop. The iPad screens are so beautiful, they're so vibrant, the colors really pop. You're able to watch and be immersed into the content that you're watching. I think it's great for consuming media. That's where that tablet portion of it really kicks into effect. You're able to just kind of get lost in whatever you're watching, from YouTube videos to Netflix to Hulu, anything at all. And again, because it has such a vast app selection, all those entertainment apps are available there. You have Apple TV, you have your Netflix, you have your YouTube. So you can basically consume any kind of media you want. All these apps are available to you. It's a great benefit. Now, it also makes a fantastic e-reader because, again, it is a tablet, so it has that tablet mentality of being an e-reader. You can read your books. The Apple Book app is really fantastic. Turns the pages just like a regular book. Even those slight little animations really come into effect. You can download just about any book you can think of, from textbooks to adventure books to romance books. Any kind of book you can think of is available. It's actually truly a pleasure just to consume and read your books on the iPad. And battery life is another benefit. I found that the iPad is really great at battery. Apple's usually pretty good at optimizing their iOS to take full advantage of the hardware that they're pushing out. So from iPhones to iPads, iOS is usually pretty well customized to make sure you're getting the best battery life possible. And that's no different with the iPads. Anything ranging from the regular iPads to the iPads Pro are going to give you a really great battery life. And that really does come in handy, making sure that the availability of your device is probably one of the most important things that you're going to have have. So battery life becomes paramount when you're dealing with mobile computing devices. There's an app for editing media, there's an app for creating media, consuming media, just about anything that you can think of that you can do on a laptop. The versatility of the iPad gives you the ability to do this, usually on a better screen, in a better format, and also in a better form factor. For the most part, it does give you the ability to have your tablet, but also have your computing ability and not lose too much in between. So anyway, guys, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Do you think the iPad can replace your laptop? Have you replaced your laptop with an iPad? Share your thoughts in the comment section. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and share that in the comment section as well. This video will teach you how to troubleshoot your iPad's Wi-Fi issues, and this video is something that YouTube believes you'd enjoy watching. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell for notification, and until next time, peace.